this is Anuradha from Career Platform. Now let's see exercise 1.2 of question number 1. What is the question number 1? We have to represent these numbers on the number line. So first question is 7 by 4. So we have to draw the number line for that. Here 0. Here you have to see the denominator part, that is 4. It means we have to draw into 4 equal parts. Okay, like we have to draw like this. Between 0 to 1 we have to draw 4 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, means this is 7 by 4, right? So I am writing here 0 means 0 by 4. I can write 0 by 4 equal to 0. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. 1 you can write like this, 4 by 4. Okay, 4 by 4 is 1 only. Now here also you have to part into 4 equal parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 by 4. Now this is 5 by 4. This is 6 by 4. This is 7 by 4. And you can write 2 as 8 by 4. So we have to represent this 7 by 4. So where it comes? This is here. So you can represent like this. You can write here also like minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 1. Like this you can write. Same number with negative sign here in the left side. Okay. So like this you can represent this 7 by 4. Okay. Now let's come to the second part, that is minus 5 by 6. So we have to represent this in the negative part. Now let's see the second part, that is minus 5 by 6. We have to draw for this also. We have to represent on the number line minus 5 by 6. Okay. In the right side of 0 we have to write positive and here we have to write negative numbers. Okay. So first you have to see this denominator part. So draw into 6 equal parts. Right. So here this is the negative one. So first we draw with the negative one. 0 by 6 is the same 0. Minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, here minus 6 by 6, or you can write as minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 6 by 6 is same. Okay. This is your answer, minus 5 by 6. Okay, that is 0 to minus 1. Here it is. Okay, between 0 and minus 1. So you can write same in the positive side also. You can mark 1 by 6, 2 by 6. It is 6 equal parts. You can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have to see denominator. Okay, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, here 6 by 6 means 1. So 0 to minus 1, it is here in between. Okay. Okay students, let's see question number 2. What is the question number 2? We have to represent these 3 numbers on the number line. So let's see. Here you can see the denominator part, all are 11. So we have to draw into 11 equal parts, right? So I am drawing the number line. Sorry, it is so. this all are negative, so we have to draw in the negative side. 0, we have to draw 11 equal parts between 0 and -1. Okay, 0 -1 by 11, -2 by 11. It is not visible, maybe it is not visible, I am writing bigger one. -1 by 11, -2 by 11, -3 by 11, -4 by 11. This is 4 equal parts. We have to write 11 equal parts. -5 by 11, then -6 by 11, then -7 by 11, then -8 by 11, then -9 by 11. Okay, then -10 by 11, and here is -11 by 11 is -1. Okay, so we have to represent -2 by 11. Where it is? This is -2 by 11. You have to circle at that number. Then we have to represent -5 by 11. So here is -5 by 11. Then -9 by 11. Here it is. Okay. In the same, you can write like this also. In the positive number, same equal parts. Okay, 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11, 8 by 11, 9 by 11, 10 by 11, and here is 1. So it is 0 to -1, and here is 0 to 1. That is 11 equal parts. Okay, so here I represent these numbers. Now students, let's see question number 3. What is the question number 3? We have to write 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than 2. You can write 2 as 20 by 10. I can write like this. Okay, that is similar to 2. So I am drawing a number line here. 0, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. Okay, in the here 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10. Like this you can draw. Here maybe 18 by 10, 19 by 10, up to 20 by 10. Ten by 10 is 1, and here 2. Okay, and here so on. Okay, this all are rational number. Okay, here 0 to 1 up to 9 by 10, then 1 to 2 is 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10. Okay, so we have to write only 5 rational numbers that is smaller than 20 by 10. So here these are greater. Okay, if you go from left to right, these all are greater. So smaller than 2 means any number before 20 by 10. Okay, that is the 5 rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers you can write. I am choosing any one, like 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 8 by 10, 15 by 10, 19 by 10. Okay, this all are rational numbers smaller than 2, and you can write any one before 20 by 10. Okay, so I am writing, I had choose this one. Okay, 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 8 by 10, 15 by 10, and 19 by 10. So this is the answer for the question number 3. Okay students, now let's see question number 4. What is the question number 4? We have to find 10 rational number between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Here you can see that denominator is not same here, so we have to make the denominator same of both. Okay, so like minus 2 by 5, if we multiply with 10, okay, so this will come minus 20 by minus 20 by 50. Okay, and if we write 1 by 2, we know that 25 2s are 50. So 2 into 25 and 1 into 25, that is 25 by 50. So we have to find between minus 20 by 50 and 25 by 50. Okay, so 10 rational number you can write anything between them. So here you can write minus 18 by 50, minus 15 by 50. Okay students, you can write between them anything. Minus 18 by 50 I am writing here. Minus 15 is between them only. Minus 11 by 50. Zero. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I am writing the positive one, positive rational number. You can write here 10 by 50, 14 by 50, 16 by 50, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the 10 rational number. You can write anything between them. Okay, this is minus 20. You can plot the number line also to see how you can create. Minus 18, then minus 17. After minus 20 is minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, 13, 12, 11. Like this you are in the number line. Okay, so anything you can choose, any number between them. So this is my answer. It's 10 rational number. Okay students, now let's see question number 5. Okay, we have to find 5 rational numbers of the first part. What is the first part here? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So we have to make equal denominators. So for this I am making like this. I am making denominator as 60. Denominator is 60. Okay, so I have to multiply this with 20. So 2 2s are 4. This is 40 and 3 2s are 6. That is 40 by 60. And here you can write 4 by 5 into 20. Sorry, we have to make 60 here. So 12 5s are 60, we know. So I have to multiply with numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, so here you can see 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. So between 40 by 60 and 48 by 60, what the number comes? After 40 is 41, we know. 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 45 by 60, 46 by 60, 47 by 60, right? So these are the 5 rational numbers. You can choose any numbers between 40 and 48. That is 7 numbers only. Okay, so this is the first part. Now let's see students, question number 5 part 2. Okay, what is part 2? Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay, we have to find 5 rational numbers. Okay, so we have to make denominator same. I am making denominator as 6 here. Okay, so minus 3 by 2, what we have to multiply to make denominator 6? We have to multiply with 3. Minus 9 by 6, right? Here 5 by 3 is given, so we have to make denominator as 6. So we have to multiply with 2 with numerator and denominator. So 5 2s are 10, divide by 6. So we have to write 5 rational number between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. So you can write anything like between this minus 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. Okay, you can choose any number between this. You can plot the number line also to write this rational numbers. Okay, anyone you can easily write. Now students, let's see part 3 of question number 5. Okay students, now let's see part 3. Okay, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. I am making denominator as 20. Okay, in both we can write 20, like 1 by 4, 5 4s are 20, we know. I am writing here 5 by 20, and for 1 by 2, if we multiply 10 with numerator and denominator, we get 10 by 20, right? So between 5 by 20 and 10 by 20, which rational number comes? 6 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20, 9 by 20. Okay students, you can see that if I make denominator as 20, you can see that we have only 4 rational number. Okay, but we want 5 rational number. So what we have to make? If we make here denominator as 24, so what I will change here? 6 4s are 24, 6 by 24. Okay, here you can write 12 2s are 24, we know. So 2 into 12 and 1 into 12 here. So what you can write? 12 by 24. So here between 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. Okay, we have to make 5 rational numbers. We have to write here 5 rational number. So you can write here 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24. It is the exact 5 rational number between them. Okay, so this is the answer of part 3. Okay students, now let's see question number 6. What is the question number 6? You have to write 5 rational number that is greater than minus 2. Okay, we had seen smaller than 2. Okay, in previous questions. Okay, you have to write minus 2 as, I can write minus 20 by 10. So greater means that is from left to right. So here is minus 20 by 10, minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10. Okay, so on. Minus 1 by 10, here 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, and so on. So from this rational number, this is greater than minus 20 by 10. Okay, here is greater. From left to right, all are greater numbers, greater rational number. So you can write any one from these numbers. So I am writing here minus 1 by 10, 2 by 10. We have to write only 5 rational numbers. So you can choose any one from these numbers. I am writing here. Okay, so these are the 5 rational numbers that is greater than minus 2. You can write minus 2 as minus 20 by 10 for simplification. Now students, let's see question number 7 of exercise 1.2, that is the last question of this exercise. We have to find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, so the same we have to make denominator same for the both. Okay, so I am making denominator as 80. Okay, so what we have to multiply with 5 to make 80? 16 5s are 80, we know. So 16 3s are 48 and 16 5s are 80. Okay, so I made 80 here with multiply with numerator and denominator as 16. Here 3 by 4. If we multiply 20 to both numerator and denominator, we get denominator as 80. That is 3 into 20 is 60 and 4 into 20 is 80. So 60 by 80 I am getting here. So between 48 by 80 and 60 by 80, we have to find 10 rational numbers. So in sequence you can write here 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51 by 80, 52 by 80. This is 4 rational numbers. We have to write 10. 53 by 80, 54 by 80, 55 by 80, 56 by 80, 57 by 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last is 58 by 80. Okay, so exact 10 rational numbers 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the last question, children. There is a find 10 rational numbers. So these are the 10 rational numbers. In the next video, I will come with the chapter number 2, that is linear equation in one variable. Okay, so please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Hope you understood up till here. Till then, bye bye and take care.